And once you enroll in the school of faith, I like this, you are not allowed to drop out just because of one faith. And I like this, mga kapatid, sa university, pag mababa ang grade mo, pwede kang ma-failure, pwede kang i-drop out, pwede kang may back subject, pupunta ka may mga requirements, may mga hinahanap. Pero sa ating Panginoon, walang nakalagay na drop out sa tawag ng ating Panginoon. Please be challenged today. Walang drop out sa ministry ng ating dakilang Panginoon. Walang failure sa ministry ng ating Panginoon. At kung may failure man, don't worry. My God said, behold, I am with you always, even unto the end of the world. Kung nadama mo na failure ka, don't worry. Kasama mo pa rin siya. Walang drop out dito. Walang malalaglag, kapatid. Hawak lang sa panampalataya.